You spend 10 hours editing a video. You write the perfect script, you upload it, and nothing. 0 views, a flatline CTR. Why? Because your thumbnail sucks. You think you can prompt, grab an AI image, and instantly get a viral YouTube thumbnail? You are dead wrong. We all know a bad thumbnail kills a great video, but fixing it usually means mastering Photoshop or paying a designer hundreds of dollars. Then you enter AI and you find dozens of tools flooding the market. Every tool claims it can make viral thumbnails in one click. But can they actually compete with a human designer, or are they just spitting out generic garbage? To find out, I spent the last week testing the absolute best AI thumbnail makers on the market. I literally made 50 different thumbnails to find the ultimate winner. Here's the truth that YouTube doesn't tell you. Your video title gets someone to notice, but your thumbnail gets them to click it. And the algorithm rewards clicks, it rewards watch time, it promotes videos that already perform. So if your thumbnail is weak, you're invisible. YouTube doesn't care how good your video is if nobody clicks on it. The thumbnail is the door, and if the door looks bad, nobody's walking through. So I decided to run a real test of the AI thumbnail maker. I rated every tool on these criteria. Image quality. Does it actually look sharp and professional? Text handling. Can it add readable text on the thumbnail without it looking terrible? Speed. How long does it actually take? Ease of use. Could a beginner figure it out in 5 minutes? Cost. Is it free, freemium, or paid? Only for thumbnail, no bloated all-in-one suites, not general design tools like Canva. Let's start with the one that surprised me the most on price. Wayinvideo, best value for money. What I like about this one is that it skips the whole prompt writing step entirely. You paste in a YouTube link or upload your video, and the AI scans it for the actual highlight moments, key reactions, clear faces, high-tension scenes, then builds thumbnail options out of that footage instead of generating generic AI art from scratch. You get multiple variations per generation. So A/B testing is basically built in, and the price is what makes this one stand out. Plans start around $5 a month, and new accounts get 200 free credits just for signing up. That's the most generous free tier of anything on this list. Next one is Thumbmagic, best overall video first workflow. This is the one most creators land on if they want something proven. Same video first idea as Wayinvideo. Paste a link, no prompt engineering, but Thumbmagic leans harder into analyzing what's actually worked for other creators in your niche before it generates anything. It exports ready to go for YouTube, Shorts, and other formats. The trade-off versus Wayinvideo is price. You're looking at around $17 a month to start, up to $59 a month if you want unlimited generations. Not the cheapest, but it's one of the most consistently recommended tools in this space. Third is Hooksnap, best free tier. Hooksnap does something a little different. Instead of just analyzing your video, it looks at your past thumbnails and learns your channel's actual visual style. So the output looks like your brand, not a random AI aesthetic. The free tier here is genuinely usable. 10 credits a month, no forced upgrade wall to get decent output. If you upload once a week, you can realistically stay on the free plan. Fourth one is Pikzels, best for face-forward channels. If you're a vlogger, reactor, or run a commentary gaming channel where your face is the thumbnail, Pikzels is worth a look. Its standout feature is called Persona. You upload 3 photos of yourself once, then it builds a persona, and that same consistent version of your face shows up across every thumbnail you generate in whatever expression you are in. It's prompt-based rather than video-based, so you'll need to get comfortable describing what you want. Pricing starts around $28 a month. It's expensive, but many creators consider it the benchmark for dedicated AI thumbnail tools. Last one is Thumbly, best for occasional uploaders. This is the pick if you don't upload often enough to justify a monthly subscription. There's no recurring plan. It's pure pay-as-you-go, starting at under $4 for 10 generations. It won't have the deeper features of the subscription tools, but if you're posting once or twice a month, paying for a subscription you barely use doesn't make sense. This fills that gap. By the way, if you're not subscribed yet, now is a great time. I cover AI tools, software, and creator tech every week. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Alright, here's a quick recap. Let me walk you through who, when, and what. Wayinvideo. Cheapest paid plan, most generous free credits, Thumbmagic, most proven, video first, great all-around pick, Hooksnap, best free tier, learns your existing brand style, Pikzels, best if your face is the thumbnail, Thumbly, best if you upload rarely and don't want a subscription. And here is the clear truth. The right tool for you depends on your situation anyway. After making 50 thumbnails, my winner is Hooksnap. And here is why. It is the only tool that combines exceptional image quality, best-in-class text handling, a generous free tier, and actually learns your channel's visual brand over time. Now I'm going to give you something most videos skip, the actual principles behind a high-performing thumbnail. Because even the best AI tool gives you garbage if you don't know what to prompt it for. Tip 1. One focal point. Your thumbnail should have one thing to look at. One face, one object, one emotion. The second, you add 3 things competing for attention. Your CTR drops. Tip 2. Emotion over information. The best thumbnails make you feel something before you read a single word. Surprise, curiosity, excitement. Prompt AI for an expressive face, not a neutral one. Tip 3. 3-word max text. If you're putting text on your thumbnail, cap it at 3 words like never do this. I was wrong. Short, bold, readable. Tip 4. High contrast always. YouTube compresses thumbnails aggressively. If your image doesn't have strong contrast, bright subject, dark background, or vice versa, it'll look flat in the feed. Always test it at a small size. Watch, I followed the same format. Subject, emotion, lighting style, background, thumbnail style, 16:9 ratio. Here is the result. If you found this useful, the best thing you can do right now is hit like and subscribe. Because every week I'm testing creator tools, growth strategies, and shortcuts that the algorithm rewards. You don't want to miss next week's video. Drop a comment below telling me which tool you're going to try first. I read every single comment. And if you want to go deeper, I have a full video on editing your YouTube video that pairs perfectly with everything we covered today. It's right up there. See you in that one. And don't make bad thumbnails.